I mean, we got that crazy Hellstar Brabus G63 right here. As you can see, this car previously was a blue color wrap, and the customer wanted to bring it down a notch, so we did a satin black wrap on it. As you can see, it is completely blacked out, aside from the emblems and the RDB wheels down there. So this thing looks pretty badass. G-Wagons, if you're gonna do door jams and you're doing a body kit, this car literally is almost like 2 weeks of work. That's how much went into it. The bumpers from Brabus are really difficult to wrap. They're very massive, wide, and have a lot of grooves. Wide body flares. Obviously, the carbon parts had to come off, so the hood was glued on, was removed, and now is glued back on after the wrap. Also, the roof spoiler had to come off. We opted to leave the bi-turbo 700 in chrome and red just to go with the wheels. Obviously, you guys know, most of the time we do these things all black, but I think this looks really good as it pops with the wheel, because those are really special. And we did the door jambs as well. So when you open the doors, all the door jambs are black. This car is that Nardo gray color from factory, so you don't see any of the gray. It's all black with the door jambs, everything done perfectly. Mind you, the door jambs were done in one piece. So there's no seam between the whole quarter panel and the door jamb. It's all one piece. Oftentimes you have problems here with the G-Wagons. Zero issues there. Literally, it's a perfect wrap job. And like I said, this customer is kind of out there. He's pretty popular, so we gotta do it right, obviously, as usual. Red interior, as you can see. And the really cool part about this car, it has the 5th spare wheel in the RDB wheel. So usually we take this off, we put the spare delete from Brabus, but we opted to do wheel instead. That really gives it a cool appearance from the back, and obviously you see the Brabus emblem, the carbon fiber everywhere. And again, you cannot see any of the gray. It is all wrapped in satin black. You don't see any of the original paint color, and that's what it's all about. So if you want to wrap your G-Wagon, don't send it here.
Sorry. Hey, give me a hit. Yeah.
I lifted that chair by myself. You can't lift it by yourself.
Oh, you did? Yeah, but I had to put it under the car over there.
Nobody helps me. Come on.
My back hurts.
You're a famous guy today.
Yeah, famous and broke. I brought my Spectre, bro. I put it on Vic's table. And he said, "Why is this here?" I'm like, "So you can pay for it." You good? There you go.
There you go. Thank you, Moses.
No problem.
You're very nice. I mean, the guy.
Yeah. The steering wheel is here.
Stress after you coming, more stress.
All right, we are doing the Mansory Ghost. We are no longer doing reflectors on this. because we don't need to. We are changing the bumper. As you can see right here, this beautiful fender with this beautiful color match. Look at this, factory RDB. This is Tempest Gray, one of the hardest colors to color match without blending, which we did not blend. So literally, if this customer wanted to put his Rolls Royce back to factory with all the factory paint, body on it, everything, he could put his fenders back, bumpers back, take this kit off, sell it to somebody else. That's the beauty of this kit. We did not paint anything on the actual car. Some people opt not to get this. It's pretty expensive, but now he gets this really badass vent right here. That's gonna have the Mansory logo right there. It's missing right now. And it gets the original Rolls Royce emblem right there as well. So it's a nice look. And right now we're putting on the front bumper, which will go over there. It looks amazing. It gets really, really cool because we have a ton of carbon fiber all over it. As you can see, carbon fiber up here under the headlight, carbon fiber with dual LEDs. So this has 4 added LED daytime running lights onto the front bumper. Carbon fiber front lower lip. This is a black badge coast. So this is black chrome. This was regular chrome and we took it off and we actually wrapped this individually inside and out. So you're able to see the red inside and from the outside the black. We also did it to the Mansory grill, which is not on the car right now, but we did the same theme, so black with red. Very excited about this one. It's Tempest Gray, one of my favorite colors from Rolls Royce, with carbon fiber, and it's gonna look really good, so stay tuned.
All right, guys. Audi RS3 here. So this car was in here for a few things. Somebody broke the glass. Customer actually was very cautious. He thought parking down, you know, like somewhere like an indoor garage would be more safer. So he did that, and they still broke his glass. So we replaced it. There's a new glass on there. As you guys can see, there's tape. It needs to dry. That glass is done. Also, he brought a lot of extra aftermarket parts that we had installed for him. Car does look better. We have a front lower lip. You guys can see, it looks good. Much better than the original stock one that he had on. Carbon mirrors also. He had regular mirrors. We put carbon mirrors on. That's also done. And the wing for the trunk looks good too. That's all. We also installed another piece for that. And of course the rear diffuser. Car looks amazing from front, back, and sides. Front, back, side to side. Looks good. You on YouTube?
Absolutely.
Okay, good. What do we look at? This way or that way?
Both.
Where did you guys come from?
Where you guys from?
Edmonton, Alberta.
Edmonton, Alberta.
That's sick. And they wanted to meet you.
We have fans
I
from
want to meet Moses, man.
Canada,
Moses
right?
is the man, yeah.
Canada. Nice. I want to go there one day. I can't because I'm here 7 days a week.
Yeah, maybe one day.
Somebody has to look over Vic, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's cool, man.
that's cool.
All right. Nice.
Any chance we could meet Vic too?
You guys made it. If he comes on this side, yeah. But I think he's doing some stuff over there. But if he comes here, yeah. I'll let him know right now, yeah.
Awesome, thanks.
Here's
Lamborghini Huracan.
Huracan?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a new one coming out.
Yeah.
You?
911 Turbo.
There's the Turbo S over there.
Yeah, regional photo.
Yeah. Out of all the, I mean, Huracan and Turbo S, cool. I'm not the biggest Porsche fan. It's a little too small for me.
Yeah, it's
And Porsche Singer, I mean, that's obviously like a specialty vehicle. But it's a little too extreme nowadays, these like special cars like Singers. They're too expensive and too,
Yeah,
it's
absolutely.
annoying to deal with it, you know?
You never know, someone hands you one for free.
We wish that happens, doesn't happen. Yeah, man. It's cool.
Is your URUS on the side?
What's up?
Your URUS? On the
My
side of
Urus
the
is actually over there. That's the other white one is a newer one, Performante Urus.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Mine is over there. We're changing my engine actually. So yeah.
Where's Mono? You guys let him go?
No, but he's somewhere. I don't know where he is, but
He left. He'll be right back.
yeah, he went to the bank.
I thought Moses put him on the chopping block.
Actually, Moses' hair is on the chopping block. Yeah.
Nice trip to Turkey for Moses.
I don't think that could save him either. But yeah, he's good. He's good.
What's that Rolls Royce?
That's a Spectre. Just like there's another one over there. There are 3 of them here somewhere.
Is that basically a new Wraith?
That is the new electric, full electric race, yeah. Yep, that's the newest Rolls Royce out right now. It's that.
Yep.
Brother, you seem busy, so we don't leave you too long. Pleasure to meet you.
Thanks for taking the
No
time.
problem.
Have a
Thank
good
you
day.
very much.
Have a good one, guys. Yeah, you guys have a nice day.
The talk of the weekend was the new Bugatti, the Tourbillon. A lot of you guys saw me drive the first one on my Instagram. It has gullwing doors, which we don't see on Bugattis.
Fuck, man.
1800 horsepower. So no more turbo for Bugatti. I mean, I used to love the Veyron, how it sounds. Sounds like an airplane, but this is going to be entirely different. Like, how fast is that screen going to break?
That's a lot of money, man, for a car.